Good evening, students. I am going to explain the chapter Vidyarthmala. See the first verse. सुखार्थी चेत त्यजेत विद्याम विद्यार्थी चेत त्यजेत सुखम सुखार्थिनः कुतो विद्या कुतो विद्यार्थिनः सुखम. Sukharthi means who desires happiness or pleasure. Tyajet vidyam should give up the knowledge or learning. Vidya arthi who desires learning should give up the tyajet sukham should give up the happiness or pleasure. Sukharthina kuto vidya who desires happiness. Where is the knowledge to the one who desires happiness? Kuto vidyarthina sukham who desires learning. Kutah sukham, how can he get the happiness or pleasure? So see the translation. A student who desires happiness or pleasure should give up the learning or knowledge. A student who desires learning or knowledge should give up the happiness or pleasure. Sukharthina kuto vidya. Where is the learning or knowledge to the one who desires the happiness or pleasure? Where is the happiness or pleasure to the one who desires knowledge or learning? Now see the second verse. दृष्टिपूतं नशेत पादं वस्त्रपूतं पिबेत जलं सत्यपूतां वदेत वाणी मनःपूतं समाचरेत. दृष्टिपूतं नशेत पादं. Drishti means observation. After observation, nashet padam, one should take the step. Means when we have to take the decision, after proper observation we should take the decision. Vastra putam pive. Vastra means cloth. Putam means purified by cloth. Pive jalam, one should drink water. Satya putam vadet vani, one should speak a word. Satya putam, purified by truth. Mana putam samacharet, one should act after proper thinking. To see the translation, one should take step after proper observation. One should drink water purified by cloth. One should speak a word purified by truth. One should act after proper thinking. Now see the third verse. Dhanam alabdham kanchet labdham rakshet prayatnata. Rakshitam vardhet samyak vriddham tirthes nichipet. Dhan means wealth. Alabdham matlab which is not obtained. Kanchet matlab one should desire. Labdham rakshet pratna. Labdh means which is obtained. Rakshet means preserved or protect. Pratnata means with effort. Rakshitam vardhet sakyam. Rakshitam means protected wealth या preserved wealth. Vardhet means enhanced. Vriddham means enhanced wealth. Tirthes यानी holy places means we should use in a good use. We should put in a good use. We should do the charity, enhanced wealth. To see the translation, one should desire for the wealth which is not obtained. Obtained wealth should be preserved or protected with effort. Lakshitam vardhet sakyam. Preserved wealth should be enhanced. Enhanced wealth should be put in good use. Means should be done charity. Now see the fourth verse. Akrodhen jayet krodham asadhum sadhuna jayet kadaryam danen jayet satyena cha anrutam. Akrodhen means in absence of anger by calmness. Jayet means conquered. Krodha means anger. Asadhu means wicked person. Sadhuna means goodness. Jayet kadaryam. Kadaryam means miser. Danen means by the charity. Satya means truth. Anritam means falsehood. Anger should be conquered by calmness in the absence of anger. Wicked should be conquered by goodness. Miser should be conquered by charity. Falsehood should be conquered by truth. Now see the fifth verse. दुखे दुखाधिकान पश्चेत सुखे पश्चेत सुखाधिकान आत्मानम शोक हर्षाभ्याम शत्रुभ्यामीव नार्पयेत. दुखे दुखाधिकान. दुख मीन्स सैड. दुखाधिकान मतलब abundance of sorrow. Sukhe passe sukadhikan means more happiness. Atmanam means to himself. Soka harsabhyam is happiness or sorrow. Satrubhyam, happiness or sorrow, which are like enemy. Narpe should not surrender. So see the translation. One should see the abundance of sorrow when one is sad. One should see the abundance of happiness when one is happy. One should not surrender himself in front of the happiness or sorrow, which are like enemies. Now see the sixth verse. Pratyaham pratyavekshet narah cha atmanah kinnu me pasubhi tulyam kinnu satpursayiti. Pratyah means everyday, pratyavekshet means observe. Narah means man, atmanam means to himself. Kimnu pasubhi tulyam is my behavior like the animal. Kimnu satpursay like the good people, like the good person. A man should observe his behavior every day and ask to himself, is my behavior like animal? Is my behavior like the good person? Now see the seventh verse. Bhagavat chintayet arthan singhvat cha parakramet brikvat cha avlumpet sasvat cha binispatet. Bhagavat means like the crane, arthan means about the wealth, singh means lion, parakram means show the bravery, brik means wolf, avlumpet means destroy, sasvat means rabbit, nispitet means run away. So a king should think about the wealth like a crane. A king should show the bravery like a lion. A king should destroy the enemy like wolf. A king should run away from the trap of the enemy like a rabbit.